Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Apple gift card using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you'd like to buy products and accessories using your Apple gift card, in order to redeem a gift card on your iPhone, first, make sure you have the 16-digit code on the back of your gift card. On your iPhone, open up your App Store, and soon after you do that, tap on the human icon at the top right-hand corner. Now, from your Account tab, go ahead and tap on this Redeem Gift Card or Code option. On the next page, you can either use your camera in order to scan the code or simply enter your code manually. By tapping on You Can Also Enter Your Code Manually button at the bottom and type in your code in the text box. After you're done, tap on the Redeem button at the top right-hand corner in blue, wait for a few seconds, and your gift card will be redeemed. When you redeem an Apple gift card, you can make purchases with your Apple ID balance, including apps, subscriptions like Apple Music, products from apple.com, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.